my channel. Those who are new here, hi, this is Reushi and welcome to my channel. So in today's video it's going to be very different, because in today's video I'm gonna be doing this glamorous, sexy, bossy and classy makeup look. This look is very different, and also why this is very different, because this is a monochrome look, so you can totally, I think, get that it's a purple or you can say violet monochrome look. My eyes, my cheeks, my lips and my dress, everything is in purple tone, so this is a monochrome look. When it comes to monochrome look, it is very difficult to present because you can't choose like a random color, especially bright one. It's very difficult, and I took the risk. I choose the purple or you can say violet color, which is very hard to play with, but I am so happy that it turns out so beautifully, and it's absolutely a bossy and classy look with this beautiful dainty jewelry. So I hope you are gonna love this video and you are gonna love this tutorial, because trust me, it's one of the best makeup look for me right now. So if you guys are interested, please keep on watching.
Okay, so first I'm gonna start with the illuminating moisturizer, and this is from Sugar, and the shade is, if I am not wrong, pink. I'm gonna mention all in the description box, don't worry, and it will make your skin so freaking glowing that you can't even believe that. And I think it's almost is the replica of the MAC strobe cream one, and it's extremely beautiful. And for primer I am using this is illuminating primer from Swiss Beauty, but the basic problem is that it can make your skin little bit of flaky. So now I am using that Nykaa Skin Shield foundation, and this is in the shade golden, and you can see that the flakiness, and that specially for that primer. It's not the fault of primer. The thing is that वो illuminating moisturizer के ऊपर वो ठीक से बैठा नहीं, I don't know why. But now I am using NYX HD concealer, and this is in the shade medium, and this is one shade lighter than my skin tone. And when it comes to outer corner, you need to apply concealer like it to give it like a little bit of lift. And now I'm gonna blend it, and this time I will recover that flakiness. वो सब ठीक हो जाएगा फिलहाल अभी. Anyways, जब कंसीलर आप साइड में ब्लेंड करोगे तो ब्लेंड इट लाइक दिस एंगल टाइप. अगर आप ब्लेंड करते हो तो आपकी जो आईज है वो थोड़ा सा लिफ्टेड दिखता है लाइक दिस. And yeah, now you can see that my face finally looks perfect. And now I'm gonna set this with this Fit Me powder, and this is in the shade 25 medium, and I'm gonna set only the under and the under eye and my eyelid. I'm not gonna set my full face. And for brow I am using this LA color brow pencil, and this is in the shade dark brown. And oh my god guys, this is my current obsession, and I think I overcome the obsession from the Miss Claire eyebrow pencil. I must say that this is such a beautiful brow pencil, and the best part is that this is so freaking light that आपको कंट्रोल होगा इसके ऊपर. दैट्स द बेस्ट थिंग. एंड फ्रॉम नाउ मेकअप रेवोल्यूशन रेड अलर्ट पैलेट आई एम टेकिंग दिस ब्यूटीफुल crease color, and I am applying it on all over my lid. And that from same palette I am taking this beautiful purple or violet shade you can say, and now I am stamping actually the color exactly outer corner पे like a winged eyeliner, and धीरे धीरे I am building it up. And now from that same palette I am gonna take this hot pink shade, and you can see that I am like doing a sharp wing, but ऊपर पे I am not doing it like a lash line पे. And धीरे धीरे I am smudging it towards the lid, like towards the center of my lid पे I am blending it. And if you feel like कि आपका जो purple color है वो थोड़ा सा light हो गया है, so you can totally take the color again and stamp it again. But you have to remember that जब भी आप blend करोगे तो वो inwards पे आपको blend करना होगा like this. Now I am taking a normal brush, इसके अंदर कोई color नहीं है. I am just blending it, smudging it almost कि वो harsh line remove हो जाए. And now from Makeup Revolution Tummy X palette I am taking this beautiful violet color sparkly shade. Camera पे I don't know why it's showing more over a blue color, but on my eye you can totally see that it's a beautiful purple or you can say violet color. and now I am stamping the hot pink color exactly lower lash line पे center तक, and from center to outer corner I am taking that violet shade, matte violet shade, not the sparkly one, and I am connecting it to the outer corner जो कि हम लोगों ने wing किया था. Now for mascara I am taking makeup, this is I think Maybelline Temptational, yes Maybelline Temptation, and this is not waterproof. And don't forget your lower lash line also, because your lower lash line needs more attention than your upper lash line, not a lash line, oh my god, like lashes. And yeah, now from LA Color blush and highlighter palette I am taking this beautiful violet color blush, and it's heavily pigmented, so you have to be very careful. If you don't have violet color blush, don't worry, even you can use your eyeshadow as a blush. Now this step is very optional. I am doing little bit of freckles because I feel like this look actually needs little bit of freckles, and I am just using a brow pencil, brow color brow pencil. And whenever you do freckle, do not forget to like थोड़ा सा आप ऐसे स्पंज कर लो after doing freckles. And now I am taking this Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter, and this is a golden highlighter because these looks will suit moreover like a golden tone. And now I am taking Sugar Wine and Shine. I think ये lipstick सबके पास होता है. This is one of the most popular shade, and you can totally leave it like it, but I need like a more dark color and more like bossy color lipstick. So इसके ऊपर I apply this lipstick. This is L'Oreal Paris 131 or 137 I Captivate. And yeah, that's my final look.
So yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you have loved this. Trust me, I am just loving with this look. From where I bought this jewelry and all that thing, I'm gonna make a video which will come I think next week, so stay tuned. And if you like this video, please don't forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel because it's absolutely free, and you can totally play with any color, to be very honest. Like you can totally replace the purple one if you don't love this color. You can totally add like a red or blue or like hot pink or anything actually, when you can do it in like a mono, like very nudie look. But trust me, monochrome look goes with like a very vibrant and bright color. So yeah, anyways, I am obsessed with this makeup look. Don't forget to comment down below that how I am looking. Did you like this look or not? I would love to see that. So anyways, see you guys on my next video. Till then, bye, stay happy, and the most importantly, stay positive and stay safe. Bye.